Welcome to savemake.com. Action, start. Today I want to speak about investments. For those who are lucky to have some equity, the condition of the market today is a little bit challenging. I'm not going into any political position or opposition, but today there are some major changes worldwide, speaking about tariff, wars, new position of the leaders, and it may be a very good opportunity for you. So first of all, don't listen too much to the media, because they are going to scare you, they are going to demotivate you. It's very likely in periods like that that you need to think that you are going to make the best deals. And historically, so I've been dealing since 1982, so we say for 40 years, a little bit than 40 years, this is the period to make some deals. By the way, I'm not giving any advice, I'm just going to tell you what we are doing as a family, because I'm not a professional broker or a financial advisor. I'm just sharing what we are doing. So, as you all know, most of the stock market index are going down. And yesterday we were having a discussion with my son, and I said, look, son, it's the time to start to put some little position. So it's the time to buy. Yeah, but Dad, we don't know how far it's going to go. So the thing that you can notice, I am always using, the same color coding. So I want to make sure that I am very clear with you in my state of mind. So we have the four colors, we have the black, the blue, the green, and the red. So the black and the blue, they are used to support the information. The red is what is negative, and the green is what is positive for you. As you can see here on this graph, I have used my neutral colors. Why? Because I see the market going down as an opportunity to buy. And I have already bought, which means that compared to what I bought 2 weeks ago, I have lost a little bit of money. But it does not matter, because in my mindset, in my brain here, I am thinking that it's going to rebound. I don't know when, but I want to be there. I cannot be an absentee or just watching things go down and rebound, and then I am out of it. So here is what I am doing. As the market is going down, I make, and I'm going to use the symbol %, I make little buys along the way. Can be a few %, and we don't know how far it's going to go, because if you would know, then you would what we call time the market, and it's impossible to time the market. There are people very smart, very well paid, that's what they do every day. So here you need more to say, go with your guts. It depends on how much you are risk adverse or risk taker. But the thing which is sure is that if you are out of the market, you are going to miss when it's going to go up again. And please look at all the index, over the years, over the decade. When it goes down, then there is a time when it's going to start to go up again. And we don't know at which speed, how quickly, but historically it has always happened like that, and you want to be part of it. The thing that you should never do, and I've seen people doing that. I had a very close colleague, he panicked and he sold everything. Here, almost at the bottom, and it doesn't matter which is at the bottom. That's where you lose a lot. In a down market, what I am doing, and I am just showing again what I am doing, I am buying more little by little. And then when I have more confidence that it's on the way up, then you can reposition yourself with a bigger percent here when it's going up. It looks easy. Actually, I think it's very difficult because all your environment, when you are the one deciding to buy, all your environment is going to put pressure on you to second guess you. That's the reason why I am saying go with little percent that are not going to change your life, even if you lose some money. But for sure, you are going to impress your environment by increasing your equity and taking advantage of this down economy. That's where I've made the most money. I'm going to give you an example. After COVID, the tech companies were very high. Everybody was working from home, so that was where you had to be. Then in 2022, 2023, there was a major correction. If you look at some of the high-tech companies like Tesla, like Facebook, Netflix, what else? Carvana, they all took a huge dive. I repositioned myself at that time, and their value was multiplied by multiple times. Again, as always, if you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section. And here I'm just saying, be bold, but with measure risk. I thank you very much for watching this video.